Hey little artists! Welcome back to another amazing drawing. Today we're drawing Stitch the sandcastle smashing cutie. So, grab your markers, paintbrush, and colors, and let's get started. Let's start with his head. Draw a big, juicy pomegranate shape, round and bumpy. For those bouncy leaf flap ears. One on each side, with a curvy line inside. Make the far ear a bit smaller, perspective magic. Add a soft triangle nose, slightly off-center. Above that, draw two leaf-shaped eyes. Give him a wide, amazed grin. He can't believe his own sandcastle chaos. Pop in two tiny nostrils. Fill in black but leave a tiny shine dot so they sparkle. Time to draw his hands like he's scaring everyone. Arms up, claws out, 3 chunky fingers and a thumb on each paw. Now one leg flies up in the air, ready to destroy a sandcastle, and the other stays planted on the ground. Time to drag those sand castles onto the page. Sketch any castle shapes you like, towers, flags, or moats, right under Stitch's stomping foot. know what to do to make the art pop, yes. Give the entire drawing a thick outline with your black marker. Let's color our cute Stitch. Face, ears, and body, a grayish blue. Inner ears, a shade of orange pink. Around his eyes, lower mouth, and belly, a light blue halo. Sand castles, light brown with darker shadows. Oopsie, almost forgot his tongue. Color it dark red. And outline the castle bricks for extra pop. Ta-da! Your strong but cute Stitch is complete. See you next time, my artists, bye!